Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Rork AI to Supabase. First, open your browser and go to the Supabase website. Log into your account and open the project you want to connect. After the project dashboard loads, open Project Settings. Inside the Settings page, click on the API section. This page shows the credentials that allow external tools to connect to your project. You will see two important values here. The first one is called the project URL. The second one is the non-public key. These two values are required to create the connection. Copy the project URL first and keep it ready. After that, copy the non-public key as well. Now switch to the Rork AI interface. In the prompt or chat box, type connect to Supabase and send the message. The AI will begin the setup process. It will ask you to define what kind of app you are connecting. Choose the options accordingly. After that, it will ask you to provide your Supabase credentials. When the prompt appears, paste the project URL that you copied earlier. Then paste the non-public key when the AI asks for it. After you submit the information, the AI will verify the credentials and complete the connection. Once the connection is successful, Rork AI will be able to communicate with your Supabase database and use it inside your project. Thanks for watching.